Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring any custom dictionaries or important keyboard settings are backed up. This avoids losing shortcuts. Once you have that, open Settings and go directly to Apps or Manage Apps. MIUI labels vary. Find Google Keyboard Gboard in the Installed Apps list and tap it. This is where removal options live. Make sure you are using a user account with uninstall permissions and that another input method is ready, because you cannot remove the active keyboard without switching first. You now switch the default keyboard before removing Gboard. Go to Additional Settings, Languages and Input, and choose any other installed keyboard as default. Once switched, return to the Gboard app page and tap Uninstall. If MIUI prevents full uninstall, tap Uninstall Updates, then disable to remove functionality. If options are grayed out, clear app data and cache, then reboot and try again. This forces system changes to apply and often reveals the uninstall control you need. Once you uninstall or disable Gboard, reboot your phone so MIUI finalizes the change and the new default keyboard activates. If Gboard reappears, inspect Device Administrator and System App Permissions. Sometimes Gboard is bundled as a system app and requires disabling via ADB or removing updates. Make sure to install and set an alternative keyboard from Play Store before removing system-level input. If removal fails, the key troubleshooting step is to use ADB removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.